Hello, everyone. How are you doing? It's Dave Bondy. We are going to be talking about statistics when it comes to suicide. So, if you're watching on YouTube, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can get all of my updates. Because, as you know, Facebook doesn't show everything I post. If you're watching on Facebook, go ahead and share this video out so that everyone can see it. So, a lot of you have been asking me how many suicides did we have last year in the state of Michigan? Um, some people were getting mad at me that I'm not reporting that information. Well, I want to tell you that I have been in contact with the MDHHS, that's the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, basically the state health department, and they tell me that the numbers are just not available yet. Um, some of you are telling me that's not good enough, that I need to get the answers. I can only do what the state gives us at this time. So, what we do know is from experts and doctors that depression is at an all time high. Suicides have been reported up across the country in other states, in other counties. Suicide hotlines are getting more calls than they ever have before. That's according to information and research that's out there. But how many suicides have we had in the state of Michigan? How many attempted suicides? That number is not out there. I know a lot of you are looking for numbers when it comes to last year versus other years and wanting to know. And I just don't have those yet. The Michigan the health department in the state of Michigan saying it's going to take some time to get all of those numbers together, and they do not have them yet. Now, one reason why they say this is also because when someone dies, sometimes there's an autopsy and things need to go to the lab, and it takes weeks and weeks and weeks. I had a brother pass away years ago, and it took forever to get his autopsy because of the toxicology reports. It took forever. This was down in Wayne County. In Wayne County, as you know, they are slammed. And this was years ago. And it took them time to get the toxicology reports. So we're just telling you that it's something that I'm continuing to work on. And I'm going to get those numbers for you. I'm also working on several other stories involving unemployment and the Michigan roads. Lots of stories that all of you are interested in, I know, and I am doing my best to dig. Sometimes digging takes time. I know a lot of you get upset if you send me messages and I don't get on the story right away, but trust me, I'm working on them, but it takes time. I'm a real journalist. That's why I work for an amazing television station, Mid Michigan Now, and our management. We're all about, telling the facts with depth and perspective. And at times it takes time to do that. Once I worked on a story that took 9 months to get it right, and we didn't air it until I got it right. So that's why we didn't do the story until it was right. And that's what we're going to do. So I just want to let you know the suicide numbers in the state of Michigan are not yet available. I'm being told they may be available by summer. I will continue to push the state of Michigan to get those numbers for me, and I will break it down and give you depth and perspective on what those numbers mean. I'm going to let you go, everyone. Thank you very much for watching on this Sunday. I'm recording this on Valentine's Day. Have a great day. I will talk to all of you later.